Hello guys, welcome back again to another interesting topic. Yes, from Jamaica, because this time guys I'm on top of Jamaica. We are here guys to say it the way it is, no cornering. A lot of people always come to tell me in my video that you don't know anything about the Prime Minister of Jamaica, the guy is corrupt, the guy is like that. I'm not denying the fact that I don't know whether somebody is corrupt or is not corrupt. All I always say, even from the beginning of my videos, that I am not doing videos whether someone is corrupt or is not corrupt. I'm doing my videos based on what I watch from Jamaica. If I watch something good, I only like to bring the positive things that I'm seeing. I'm not supporting somebody if somebody is doing evil. I'm just here to do my videos and promote that positivity that someone is doing in Jamaica. So it's not something bad. And if I see something that the person has done that is bad, of course, one can say it. But in my videos that I have been doing about this Jamaican Prime Minister, honestly speaking, guys, I have not seen anything. I have not seen him harassing somebody on the street. I've not seen him abusing someone on the street. All I have watched on social media about him is him meeting his people, supporting the youth of Jamaica from one way or the other. So I don't know why some people want me to talk negative or call him a thief. Some like, okay, he's not helping Jamaica in any way. But the video I see is the videos that people are appreciating him, and those videos are the ones I'm using in my channel. You understand? So let's just respect the fact that, okay, I don't know, if you really want me to talk negative about him, there is nothing negative for me to talk. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for coming to always support the Black Beauty TV. I appreciate you guys, and thank you so much for supporting my channel. And the clip from Jamaican Prime Minister I got that we are going to watch. We're going to first watch this clip where he is encouraging the youth of Jamaica to stop doing these gang members killing themselves. His wishes for them, because he is also a dad, he have children, and the things that some of the youths are doing, he don't wish his kids to do those things. So he's also concerned as a father, encouraging this youth to drop those things, because he don't want them to die. He don't want them to buy. He want them to be alive. They are the fathers of tomorrow. So those are the kind of videos, guys, and I want you to respect my point of view in the kind of videos I have chose to be. I have always said, I don't know how many times I'm going to say it, that a lot of politicians, no politician is a holy person. But when you see something good, you have to say it. So anyway, guys, I don't want long talk. I think I have cleared that one, that if you see me, I'm making videos. I decided to take those positive things to promote, and I have to make it clear for you that no one is paying me money to do this thing. I'm just doing this thing based on my eyes, based on what I see. That's how I do my reaction. I don't pick lies from somewhere to speak. I speak. That's why I always put clips, and then my clips speak for me. You understand? That is what I want to promote right now in my channel. So let's go and watch that video, and then we'll come back. If you have not liked the video, guys, please kindly like the video, and I thank you so much, because I saw a lot of you guys sharing my videos on WhatsApp and in different places. So I always see it in my YouTube studio. I want to say thank you so much. Anyway, in any way you can share my videos, kindly share it. Try to promote the positivity, because the whole world, not only in Jamaica, we need leaders that are there for us, not the leaders that are against us, or leaders that are going to promise us things and we don't see actions. We want to see action, not just speaking. So let's watch this video, guys, and thank you so much for everything.
Consider myself a young man, and I have sons, and I want them to do well. I want all our young men to do well, to grow up to be fathers, productive, law-abiding citizens. I don't want you to be killed. So I have to appeal to you, those young men who feel that they can take up a gun and go and commit a crime and we don't know. We will find you, and you will either meet a judge or your maker. I am appealing with all my heart to you. Put down the gun. Put it down. Let me be clear. The government will eliminate and eradicate every single gang in Jamaica. Let me be clear. Every contract killer, we will find you. Everyone who is importing guns into Jamaica, we will find you. I want to be very clear and transparent. Jamaica, when it comes to crime and violence, we are at an inflection point. You know what that means? The inflection point is the point in time when your reward exceeds the effort that you put in. We have been putting in a lot of effort since 2016. We have spent over $90 billion on crime fighting in this country. Over $90 billion. The previous 8 years before our 9 years, between the PNP and the former JLP administration, $28 billion. We have spent 3 times more on national security. Just yesterday, we marked another milestone where we were able to open a new forensic suite. What will that do? That will increase the capability of the security force to find evidence of crime. So you think you commit a crime and you're gone. We now have the technology to find you and identify you. So let me say it again for all the young men listening. Do not get drawn into crime. Let me say it again for all the dons who believe that they are above the law. Let me say it again. Find something else to do. Transition out of crime. Put down the gun. Find something else to do. Now is the time when you must go turn legitimate. Go into some business and come out of crime now. Because the people, they are now getting a taste of what peace feels like. They are not seeing you as protecting the community anymore. They're not seeing you as providing anything anymore. So the social underpinning of crime is removed. You are no longer a hero, you are a criminal. So I am appealing again, let it not be said that the government did not give fair warning. Anyone contemplating these murders now or contemplating these kinds of crimes, we will find you eventually or sometimes right away.
So you guys, you have heard it from the horse's mouth, not from the Black Beauty TV. My own part of this story, or how do I say it, is just for me to say my own opinion or see something that is good and I contributed in my little way. Look at what this guy is representing. He is concerned about the security of his country. He is concerned about the peace that should be reigning in his country. And most importantly, he is concerned about the youth of his country because they are leaders of tomorrow. It's not only this video. If you have been watching a lot of videos about this Prime Minister of Jamaica, I think you will know the number one concern that he's always concerned or always talking about or going around to check is about the peace in Jamaica or about the crimes in Jamaica. He is so concerned about it because he loves an environment for his children, for his people of Jamaica, to be a perfect place for his people, a place that his people are going to enjoy, and a country where everybody is going to have freedom of living, freedom of going to anywhere they want to go, no fear of anyone want to kill someone. And he don't want these leaders of tomorrow, their lives are very, very important. Even some of the youth or gang members might not see the importance of their life, but he said that he wants them to live and tomorrow to be fathers, you understand, to be something good, because he have kids. And it is not good to see small children. So he's asking them, drop the guns, drop the crime. Let's make our country a better country. And a clip that I'm going to play now, that clip shows how he is so concerned, even in little things about craft in Jamaica. Anything that has to uplift the youth, he is always there to support. And I want us guys to watch this clip very carefully. And I'm going, after watching the clips, I will read the write-up, the text he wrote under that clip and then we'll move and watch another woman where she was giving thanks, or she met this prime minister and she was so grateful because she met him before and he was so kind and down, like he was like not, he was there for her. We'll watch that one again and maybe we'll call it a day because I don't want the video to be long. So let's go and watch these particular clips. If you have not liked the video, kindly like the video, and if you want to share, I will really appreciate it. Thank you and God bless you. Let's watch this clip, guys.
Yeah, we are representing Mighty Valley Youth Project. It was founded by Lancelot Bryan, but he passed away in England and the project has been closed down for a while. We want to start up a training program for young youth to learn wood carving.
So you were trained by
Mr. Bryan. I'm his oldest daughter. I'm the representative of the project. My brother is a carver. Yes. He's a carver. He's the one who makes it.
Excellent. Lovely.
Yes.
So who would teach? Who would be the instructor? Who are the skills?
I have lots. My brother and I have another brother, Javon Johnson, as well. We have more artists who would teach. Yes. 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 Yes.
This is what you would. This is what you would
Yes.
love to do.
Yes.
It's done by
Yes.
international.
Yes. Man? No, let me tell you, this is heavy.
Yes.
And this is solid.
Yes. Lifelong. Never rotten.
And
Yes.
you see, to get all this beak
Yes.
and the fine details.
Yes.
Whoa. And by the way, this is a hard wood to carve. No,
Yes.
I'll buy. I thank you for the donation, but I know what you would have put into this. And as you say, the craft isn't selling as much. But the bigger thing is to help you.
Yes, I want to start the youth project to train youth. Free of cost. It's right over there.
So
Mr.
do you have a place?
Yes, it's right there. That's why I want to thank you for the bridge. We stayed out for 42 years. The government gave my father this land to train people.
Oh.
Yes, and he was, yes, it's a great
All right,
man.
so tell you what I'm going to do.
Yes,
Because this sounds like a project
yes,
that we could invest in.
yes,
So I'm going to have somebody from my office
yes,
make contact with you.
yes.
My assistant
yes,
is here.
you can take my number.
And we're going to work out a project.
Yes.
This sounds like something we could
Yes,
invest
that's
in.
what I want to do. I'm his first born child and I want to see it live on. I want other youth to learn it. It's a beautiful thing. It's a very beautiful thing and I want it to live on, mister. Yes, we have lots more.
So what we do,
Yes.
we train the young youth and
Yes.
let them out by street and to violence.
Yes, yes.
Train them so that it's a long
Excellent.
Yes.
of our
Yes.
Excellent. All right, so I'm gonna take this piece, but hold this. Which piece you prefer?
This represents Jamaica because
This represent us.
Yes.
All right. So all right, make a deal. All right, I buy this and I take this.
Yes, Mr. Honest, you're welcome. You're welcome, Mr. Honest. Yes.
All right.
So guys, this is what he wrote under that clips. He said, crafting has long held a special place in Jamaican culture, passed down through generations as a means of storytelling, identity, and economic independence. On my recent video to Old Harbour, I met with the passionate team behind the Mighty Gully Youth Project, a community-based initiative rooted in wood carving and youth empowerment. Originally started by Lincoln Bright, a master craftsman and community leader, this project is now being revived by his children and local artisans to train young people in the fine art of carving. I have committed to exploring support through my office to help them scale this initiative. Programs like this are key to building a Jamaica where creativity, heritage, and opportunity work hand in hand. Of course, guys, it's opportunity for the youth, because they say an idle man is the devil. I don't know if you people say it, but in Nigeria we say that Idle man is the devil's workshop. So I connected this video with the other clips that I posted, him advising the youth. At the same time here, this guy is also supporting this little business of Kevin, so that at least the youth, some youth, he might not help everybody, because you cannot help everybody in this world, that's the reality, but at least in his little way, even little businesses, or how do I put this, is also very important, because it can help one person in one way or the other, and it can empower the youth of Jamaica. Those that are interested in it, at least they have something at hand. So guys, is your prime minister doing good to your country? Look at it, guys. He meets people on the way, he meets small businesses, he encourages people in their little way to see it as something very important. Let us now go, guys, watch that that woman that I told you guys that she's a survivor, breast cancer survivor, and she was so excited to meet the Prime Minister of Jamaica, and she's giving her thanks and little testimony, will I say, and encouraging women and how to get help, or how to help yourself, how to prevent, or how to be safe, you know, when you are having like cancer, especially breast cancer for women, like early detection is very important. So let's watch that video, guys. We come back, we say something, and we call it a day. I'm on holiday, guys, but at the same time, I want to continue doing my content even in my holidays, finding time, and I will just maybe be doing short videos, no long videos, since I am here in France right now to enjoy myself with my kids. So let's go, guys, and watch that clips. And I will always say thank you so much for watching the video. Watch till the end. Watch this space. Are you understanding? I don't even want to make noise, because if I'm in my house, I'll be shouting and say, anyway, wagwan. Nothing the day. Trouble, not the day. You understand? Trouble, not the day. So let's go, guys. Don't mind me. Let's go and watch.
What is this about?
I am a breast cancer survivor. I entered this universe. So I won this title, Cosmos Queen of Jamaica. I'm traveling in December to represent our country. So it's an honor to be here today. This is significant. I live in radio, and I like renewable energy, so I am excited for this project.
So it's always good to meet a beauty queen.
Thank you.
And you must have an incredible story.
Yes, I am a big advocate for women who are fighting breast cancer. I also wrote a book, and I have this one. This is holy. So please give it to her for me.
Of course. So tell us a little bit more about your journey and your story.
I was diagnosed at the age of 30, and I met you while I was doing radiotherapy downtown. I was coming from radiation when I saw you doing some project, and we made eye contact, and I said 1 minute, and you waited, and my phone was giving problem, and you literally waited, and I said, you're such a nice person. And that was just hopeful for me that day, because I was determined that, and dealing with breast cancer, you have to fight. And I stood there and I asked the security, can I get a picture? And he said no, and I said I am going to get a picture, because I am determined, and I did. I got the picture, and you waited. As I said, my phone was having a little issue, and you waited, and I liked your patience. And I am out there doing a lot of work with a lot of women who are fighting, and they do need help in the public system as well. A lot of them are fighting, lacking medication and stuff. I mean, the system is much better than what it was before. But I mean, a lot has been going on, even with the NHF. I am a beneficiary of NHF as well. And even the health fund, the Chase Fund, I got benefits as well to do. I'm still doing bone treatments. I'm still on medication for another 10 years. But I am fighting the good fight.
If you had advice to give to women, I mean, they do say that some of it is hereditary, genetic, right, but most of it can be managed, prevented. What's the advice for women?
Early detection saves lives. Make sure that you self-check. do your mammograms. It's easy self-check at home. Check hair for lymph nodes, anything swollen, and go to the doctor. Don't be afraid. I am here. I am all over social media. I'm on all platforms to offer my support. Women have reached out to me for assistance. I do a lot of fundraisers. I help women with money up to $150,000. I do a lot of fundraisers. And so just remember to self-check, do your mammograms. Early detection saves lives. You don't want to wait until it's late and then you're trying to do something about it. And I've seen a lot of women who are being diagnosed and they do nothing about it until late stage. And I know someone who is literally in the hospital, and doctor said that there's nothing we can do, all because she did not do anything about it. So, as I said before, early detection saves lives.
My understanding as well is that the science has advanced very, very, very far now that they are able to have certain tests to detect the probability of someone developing breast cancer. What's the availability of those kinds of tests like in Jamaica?
Well, there is a test, a rapid test, and it's a saliva test that you can get done, and it will let you know if you have the genes for cancer or breast cancer, which would reduce the risk, to do more self-check and go out and get your mammograms done.
So you guys, as I always say, so that is our video of the day from the island, one of the best islands in the Caribbean. That is our video from the Prime Minister of Jamaica. And I hope tomorrow I have time. I make another short video and I hope you guys are enjoying the video. I know you are enjoying these videos because your comments are your comments are encouraging me to do more, in fact, to dig more about Jamaica, to go into and watch more and understand more. And one thing I have to tell you guys, not because of YouTube, not because of social media, believe you me guys, Jamaicans, you guys are loving people. You understand? Wagwan. One love to all of you, back to back. And we want a better, or how do I say, we want a better Jamaica day by day. And for that, we are here to bring out that positivity about Jamaica. Even if I'm in Jamaica today, guys, I'm not coming to Jamaica to look for any negativity. I will go there. I'll go to any country to see the positive things about that country and promote it. You understand? So thank you so much for your love. Thank you for your kindness, and thank you for your encouragement. As I will always say, if you know how to share my video, kindly share the video and kindly like the video, kindly subscribe to the channel, because we have to move ahead. And in any way, just support as we move ahead. Thank you, and God bless you guys. Have a wonderful time and much love right now from France. But I stay in Germany. But now, at the moment, I just came for some days to France. Thank you, and God bless you guys. So have a wonderful evening from the real daughter of the soil and the CEO of my channel. Have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.